Welcome to GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at shape transformations and the key points you need to know for your exam. Let's get started. There are lots of ways that we can manipulate shapes. In this video we're going to look at congruent and similar shapes, reflections, rotations, enlargements and translations. When two triangles are described as congruent, they're exactly the same. The key signs to look out for are SSS, all three sides are the same length, SAS, two sides are the same length and an equal angle in between them, ASA, two angles are the same and one length is the same size, or RHS, same length of hypotenuse, same length of another side and a right angle in the triangle. If two shapes are described as similar, then their proportions are the same. So if one shape has a length twice as big as its height, then the other shape will have a length twice as big as its height, whatever size the height is, because their proportions are the same. A key example of this is with a cone. You often see questions where a cone is half full of water. You need to find the volume of the whole cone, take away the volume of the little bit at the top that has no water in it. So the shape of the top of the cone has got the same proportions as the whole cone, so that's the radius and the height of it. So let's have a look at the ways that we can manipulate a shape. The first example is a reflection. A shape can be reflected, so it's a mirror image. The shape is exactly the same size, it's just been flipped over. You'll often be asked to write down the equation of the mirror line. In this example, the equation of the line is x equals 0. If a shape has been rotated, it's been moved in relation to a point described as the point of rotation. You might be asked to describe how many degrees the shape has been rotated and in which direction. The shape stays exactly the same size, it's just been moved. When a shape has been translated, it's been moved. The shape stays exactly the same size, it just moves along the graph. The translation can be described by a vector. The top number of the vector, if it's a minus number, we move to the left. If it's a positive number, we move to the right. The bottom number, if it's a negative number, we move down, and if it's a positive number, we move up. Our last transformation is enlargement. We can increase the size of the shape by a scale factor from a point where we draw the dotted help lines from, called the centre of enlargement. Our enlarged shape will be similar to the first shape, so the proportions will be the same, it's just bigger. If your scale factor is between 0 and 1, the shape will get smaller. And if your scale factor is negative, the image will still be increased by that number, but it'll be flipped 180 degrees. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to have some practice at answering exam-style questions on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.